Alam niya ngayon dito sa senior.
Samantala, Escobedo. And we can see right away yung bilis ng opensa. Monje was able to find him wide open. Maengare.
Same, they're push.
Santos, pinasa sa loob. Timaano.
Again, good to man, oh. Pero mas madiin lang yung pressure ng Letran.
Nakikita sa inyong mga TV screens, but there were 5 players in white jerseys. Broke. Why fix it? Jumawas gets the basket.
Kaya itong champion mindset ni Coach Allen needs to translate to his remaining players sa panagdaman.
Escobedo. Wow, what a finish. Actually, he completes the steal. Paengare. Bumitin sa ere. Number 26.
Actually, ang hirap tingnan. Again, nag-zone na itong San Sebastian.
Deflection. Ito na si Monje. Monje with a finish. Glory days. Montesino block though. Oh!
Wow!
Are! Showtime!
Iwasan for Letran, no? Yun yung instruction siguro. Mga 4 shots, nawawala.
Doon diretso.
Sayang, sayang.
May content na sana. Are! Wow! Wow, Letran with a turnover. Escobedo with some speed. Scored pass. Jumawas on the drive. Estrada. Escobedo. Wow!
Nice pass, nice swing. Again, the...
Bola pa rin ng baste. Sayang, nabitawan. Kabat!